Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy.
Question is find LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So in this question we have to find LCM and HCF of 336 and 54. That is, we have to find LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF, that is LCM of 336 and 54 multiplied by HCF, that is HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to product of the two numbers, that is product of 336 and 54. So for this, to find LCM and HCF of 336 and 54, we use prime factorization method. So for this, we do prime factorization of 336 and 54. So we write 336 like this, draw vertical line. Now we start from smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. So division is possible with 2. So when 336 is divided by 2, we get 1, 6, 8. That is 168. So again, we start from smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. So division is possible with 2. We get quotient as 84. So we write 84 below 168. Now again we start from 2. Division is possible with 2. When 84 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 42. So we write 42 below 84. Now again we start from smallest prime number, that is 2. When 42 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 21. We write 21 below 42. Now again we start from 2, but division is not possible with 2. Next prime number is 3. When 21 is divided by 3, because division is possible, we get 7 as quotient. We write 7 below 21. Now 7 is prime number, so 7 is divided by the number itself. When 7 is divided by 7, we get quotient as 1. We write 1 below 7. Now we write 336 as product of its prime factors. So 336 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. Now we do prime factorization of 54. For this we write 54, draw vertical line. Now we start from smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. When 54 is divided by 2, we get quotient as 27. We write 27 below 54. Now again we start from 2, but division is not possible with 2. So next prime number is 3. Division is possible with 3. So when 27 is divided by 3, we get 9 as quotient. We write 9 below 27. Now again we start from smallest prime number, but division is not possible with 2. Next prime number is 3. So division is possible with 3. When 9 is divided by 3, we get quotient as 3. We write 3 below 9. Now 3 is prime number, so 3 is divided by number itself. When 3 is divided by 3, we get quotient 1. We write 1 below 3. Now we write 54 as product of its prime factors. So 54 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So all these prime numbers we write here because these are factors of 54. Now to find HCF, we write 36 and 54 as product of their prime factors. So 336 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. Now 54 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So to find HCF, we find common factors among 336 and 54. So first common factor is 2 among 336 and 54. We write 2. We write multiplication sign. Now next common factor is 3 among 336 and 54. So we write 3 here. These common factors we write only one times. Now next common factor is 1. So we write 1. Write multiplication sign and 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So HCF of 336 and 54 is 6. Now we find LCM. For this we write LCM. We write 336 and 54 as product of their prime factors. So 336 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. Now 54 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. Now to find LCM, we find common factors first. So common factors among 336 and 54 are this 2 here, we write 2 one time only. Now next common factor is 3. So we write 3. Now next common factor among 336 and 54 is 1. We write 1 here. Now we write the factors which are not common among 336 and 54. So the factors which are not common are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now here 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and 24 2s are 48. So we write 48. So LCM is equal to 48 multiplied. So 48 is multiplied by 63. When 48 is multiplied by 63, we get 3024. So LCM of 336 and 54 is 3024. Therefore, HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to 6. LCM of 336 and 54 is equal to 3024. Now we do verification. So we write verification. LCM multiplied by HCF, that is LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to LCM is 3024 multiplied by HCF is 6. We get 18 144, that is 18,144. We write here as number 1. Now we do product of the two numbers, that is product of two numbers. Two numbers are 336 multiplied by 54. When 336 is multiplied by 54, we get 18,144. We write this as equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, it is proved that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Hence proved. In this way, we can find LCM and HCF of any two numbers, and we can verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the two numbers.
If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.